Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you today my step-by-step reminders flow, which you can completely steal, copy paste it, and sell it or use it for your own business. It's perfect for any sort of business that uses like appointments or has like meetings. So quite a lot of businesses, both like in-person businesses and online businesses, can use this.
Okay, so now we're on make.com. I'll run through exactly how you do it. So you want to first do a tool set variable. So you also want to make it called current date time or just current date, whatever. And then you want to do this exact variable value. So you can find a lot of them, I believe, in the date and time. So you want to do format date down here. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it here, but yeah, and you want to get now. If you can't find now, just do like this. You just want to do like that, and then you just want to keep everything like this. So you just want to make sure you put all the variables either in the right spot behind these like apostrophes and stuff. So, and obviously if you're not from Australia, Sydney, then you don't want to do that. You want to do whatever you are from. But yeah. Yes, you want to make a search rows, and you want to make a Google Sheet or like an Airtable. I'll show you exactly what mine looks like. So here we go. You want to do a name section, a phone number, email, session type, address, or like appointment type, whatever your business is that you're doing. Payment status, appointment date, 7-day reminder, 3-day reminder, 1-day reminder. So you want to have all these lined up, and then we'll continue. So you want to search rows, and you just want to make it ascending by the date, appointment date. So you want to have the appointment dates in ascending order. So you want to do a AI node. You want to have DeepSeek, ChatGPT, whatever you want to use. You want to have a user variable first, so convert the following appointment date to a date in the format month, day, year. And you want to use your appointment date variable from the Google Sheet. So obviously you're going to have appointments in your sheet, obviously. So you can just do a couple test ones and write them in to your sheet. So you can just do this is like a whole test. You can just do your name, email, and then you want to just write an appointment date that you've got. So this will obviously be pulled from, I don't know, like a salesperson or something, but when you're testing it, you just want to write it yourself. And then, yes, you want to have your appointment date there, which you'll be able to find just by finding it in the variables here. Yeah, so you want to just do this system prompt. So you're a date passing assistant. Convert the input string into a date in the format month, day, year. Ignore the time portion if present. Output must be valid future date in that format. Only return the date, no extra symbols, because AI sometimes writes it differently. So you want to make sure it's the exact right format. So this is an example, and then this is the output that you want to have. Put the tokens, whatever, probably high, because this is really important. And then now we're on to the sort of routing part, which is where you actually work out which day, which the days and the certain reminder sort of notifications. So 7-day, 3-day, 1-day. You can obviously do as many as you want here. But I've just done sort of the ones that I think are the most important to have. So the most important part of this whole thing is the filters. So you want to copy exactly what I've done here. If you want to do the 7-day, 3-day, 1-day, it's going to be similar for any other day you want to do. You're going to have to change this number here. But yeah, I'll run through the 7-day first. So you want to do past date, which is again going to be on this tab here. So past date there, and you want to get the result of the DeepSeek. So that's the formatted time. And then you want to do a text operator equal to, and then same add days was going to be in this. It's going to be here as well. Add days, which is there, and then current date time. So that's the that's the variable, the tools here. So that's the current date, and then 7, so 7 days from that. So if it's equal to 7 days, then it's going to continue. And then it's got another filter here, so 7-day reminder is not equal to true. So this basically confirms that the 7-day reminder hasn't been sent yet, because if it's already been sent, then you don't want to send the same thing twice. So you want to do not equal to, you can do case insensitive if you want, or just not equal to, doesn't really matter. And then payment status, you want to make sure that they've actually paid. So you don't want to be doing reminders for clients that haven't actually paid yet. So, well, you can obviously do that if that's the type of business you run, but I'm doing this for a business where they have to pay first before they come in. So that's the 3 filters you want to do for 7-day. And then I'll run through the Twilios after, but I'll show you the filters first. So this is for 3-day, and you're going to realize it's kind of the exact same. So same exact thing here, and then the add days, except now you do 3. And then you have the 3-day reminder in the Google row is not equal to true. So these reminders here, you want it to not equal true, because that means that the SMS hasn't already been sent. And then payment status again is confirmed. So the payment status column was here. So it has to say confirmed, otherwise it's not going to work. And then I'll move on to 1 day, and it's again just going to be the exact same sort of thing. So past day, result, add days, current time, 1 day reminder is not equal to true, confirmed payment status. Now, this is the part where you actually send the message. You can do SMS and Gmail. So all you'd have to do is just add a module there, and then do I'll show you what it looks like quickly, but you do email, send an email, and then you just go on from there. So you can do an email and an SMS reminder. I'm just doing SMS for now because that's all that I'm doing for this client at the moment, but whatever you want to do. You want to do Twilio connection, so you're gonna have to set up a Twilio account, and I believe you can, if you haven't paid, you can get a test phone number. It's just gonna have like a little sort of watermark when you send the text messages, but it's good for, you can do this whole process as a test, and then when your flow is working, then you can pay and then get rid of the sort of watermark. So, yep, you want to do phone number, and then you want to pick the phone number that you have on your Twilio account, and then you want to do 2, and then the phone number that the client has. So this is going to be pulled from whatever, it's going to be manually entered, or it's going to be done through a CRM. And then you want to create a body, and then you want to just write whatever you want to have in this. I like personalizing it as much as possible. So hey, their name, to make it actually like, so when they get the text message, they're like, oh, hang on, this is for me. Excel coaching here, your next session. So you want to have exactly what their session or appointment is about, is coming up on the day that you pulled from AI. Hope you're excited and prepared. So for 7 days, we don't want to be like pushing on them. We just want to say, hope you're excited. Just keep it fresh in their mind. Then for 3 days, you're going to just notice it's the same thing, but it's just this message changes a bit. Hey, name, Excel coaching here. Your next session is close approaching on the day. Can't wait to see you. So just changes the text up a little bit. And then finally for 1 day, it's going to be more of like a reminder kind of. So, hey, Excel coaching here. Your next session is here, which is tomorrow. Make sure you arrive 10 minutes before you get set up, and see you soon. So you want to sort of give some directions, and yeah, just make sure that you kind of catch their attention and make sure that they don't just no-show. So it's a loss of sales, obviously. And then once you've sent that text message, you want to make sure that you write true after you've sent it. So remember how I was saying in the filter that you can't send the 7-day twice. You don't want to do that. So you want to write true once you've sent the text message, so it doesn't send again. And then for 3 day, it's just the exact same thing. True. And then for 1 day, it's the exact same thing as well. True. So you want to do row number, and then the exact same SMS, the exact same sheet as this. So everything's coming through this sheet. And that's pretty much it. So obviously I said you can do emails as well, but you can obviously make the message as different and personalized as you want. That message is just what I've done. It's like a sort of quick, easy SMS. But that's all the steps really. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I don't know if I explained it well or not. If you want me to just build this for you so you can sell it to businesses, or if you're a business and you want me to make it for you and run it, so you don't have to think about it or anything, and you want an expert, I'm also keen to do that. So just email me. It should be in the description, my email, or you can go on my YouTube and find it. But yeah, hope that was easy to understand.
So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and you learned something and it was clear. If you have any questions about what I did, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer everything. If you want me to just make this for you and you don't have to worry about it, also email me. Should be in the description, or on my YouTube. If you want more tutorials, if you have any ideas of things you want to see, comment them, because I can definitely do some more explanation sort of videos on sort of topics with AI. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.